Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're about to update to iPadOS 16. 7. 11. Start now. First, plug your iPad into power or confirm battery is at least 50% so the installer won't stop. Next, join a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent download corruption and save mobile data. Once connected, make a quick backup. Use iCloud or connect to a Mac and backup in Finder. This preserves settings and apps in case you need to restore. After backup completes, move to Settings to begin the download. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. You'll see iPadOS 16. 7. 11 listed. Tap Download and Install, enter your passcode if prompted, and allow the device to fetch the update. This can take minutes depending on internet speed. Once downloaded, it moves through preparing and verifying. Make sure you don't force quit settings or disconnect power. You can continue using the iPad until installation begins. When ready, choose Install Tonight or Install Now to start the action. After installation begins, follow on-screen prompts and allow the iPad to reboot. Typical installs take 2 to 15 minutes. Once it's back, check Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update to confirm 16. 7. 11 is installed and verify apps open normally. If the update stalls or the device is frozen, force restart the iPad and try the update again. If downloads repeatedly fail, reset network settings before retrying. Only restore from your backup if the iPad won't boot correctly after multiple attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.